Success in the workshop relies on the care you put into machinery setup, the accuracy of your layout work, and consistently checking your work during assembly. Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Squares handle all three jobs, ensuring your project starts square and ends square. All Woodpeckers fixed blade squares start with a meticulously machined one-piece square as their central core. Quarter-inch cheeks are pinned to the central core to form the base of the square. The cheeks are narrower than the core, creating a shoulder. This Woodpecker's exclusive design keeps your square aligned to your stock without an extra hand. You'll find these same features in squares from 6 to 26 inches, all guaranteed accurate to plus or minus 0.0085 degrees. The 641 is your everyday carry and fits nicely in any pocket or tool apron. Use it to square up your table saw blade or check assembly on your smaller projects. The 851 offers a broader stance and a longer blade, making it ideal for setting your joiner fence or aligning your bandsaw blade at a perfect 90 degrees. For cabinet making and larger furniture, the 1281, our most popular square, is just right for checking face frames, drawers, and cabinet bodies. When laying out sheet goods, nothing matches our two larger squares for convenience and accuracy. Either square is the perfect reference tool to lay out precise data locations and check that the ends of your crosscuts come out dead on accurate. The 26-inch blade on the 2616 also makes dialing in your MFT table a quick and easy process. From machinery setup all the way through to final assembly, Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Squares provide the ultimate 90-degree reference for your project. Order yours today.